Hi, this is Scott Falls, author and trainer of several books and courses on Microsoft Office products. I've actively used Word in real-world situations for over 20 years. With each new version of Word, not only have I learned what's new for myself, for my own benefit, I've also built my skills to teach others and train many colleagues and employees. In this course, you'll benefit from that experience, in addition to learning the basics. You'll gain tips and tricks and learn how to avoid common pitfalls people encounter when first learning Word. We'll be creating robust documents from scratch using real-world examples from my experience in the business world. But don't let that stop you. The methods learned in this training can be applied anywhere, whether it's the business world, school, home, if you have a home business, you name it. Learning a new program can seem daunting at first. But by using my unique look over my shoulder training method, we'll work together as if you're sitting right next to me looking over my shoulder. Instead of just going through the interface tab by tab, learning individual functions, we will build projects from simple to large and dynamic reports using multiple features of Word to complete each task. Each project builds upon what we've already covered, so by the time you complete this course, you will learn to think in terms of real-world problem solving rather than just knowing how to use each feature. You will quickly discover how to make Word work the way you like to work. For example, we learn how to quickly set up pages for your projects using margins, tabs, and styles. Frequently used techniques like finding and replacing text, checking spelling, and creating outlines are covered thoroughly. These days, documents are likely to include photos, charts, and other graphics. So this course shows you exactly how to insert, resize, format the design of those elements. If you work with long documents, you'll learn how to add headers, footers, table of contents, cover pages. If you collaborate with a team, you'll see how to track changes and add comments to a document. You'll also learn the fine points of printing, how to publish PDF files, and how to send your work to someone via email. The ideal student for this course is either a complete beginner or an intermediate user who uses Word regularly but doesn't really take advantage of too many of the features. You might type, you might change fonts, add bullets, save, you might print, but you don't really make those professional looking documents that could be turned in for an assignment or shared with an entire company. This course is also ideal for someone who uses an older version of Word and wants to see the new features in action, or just to help on the interview, or just add a little job security. So feel free to take a look at the course description. I look forward to seeing you inside.